I'm sure we all heard of a hadith where the Prophet ﷺ is describing or talking about mentioning 73 sects, and all of the sects will go towards the fire and there will be one saved sect, etc. There were groups that were innovating in Islam. So some were extreme and some were not that extreme. Those who were extreme had beliefs such that it will take them out of the fold of Islam. Firqa al-Najiyah that has been extracted from ahadith that indicate this Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah group, this saved group. Keep this in mind, that this group is a very big group, the mainstream Islam, the Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. It's not like the Murji'ah belief, it's not like the Khawarij belief, but they believe that if a person did a major sin, then they're at a station, they're in a place between two places.